In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the ChatGPT website. You can do this by typing chatgpt.com into your browser's address bar or simply clicking the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, you'll see the option to log in right away. The next step is to click on the Login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the login screen where you can choose how you want to sign in. Now here's where it gets a bit easier. You'll see an option that says Continue with Google. This feature allows you to sign in using your Google account, which is a super convenient option for many users. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. After you click that option, you'll be directed to a page where you can select your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one you want to use for ChatGPT. If it's your first time logging in, you will need to input your email and password associated with that Google account. Once you've selected your account and entered the necessary credentials, just follow the prompts. You may need to allow certain permissions for ChatGPT to access your Google account information. This is standard for many services that use Google for authentication, so don't worry, it's quite safe. After granting the required permissions, you'll be whisked away back to ChatGPT. Congratulations, you are now logged in and ready to start chatting. You can explore all the exciting features available, whether you're looking to ask questions, get advice, or just have a casual conversation with the AI. If you happen to run into any issues during the login process, don't hesitate to check the FAQs on the website or reach out to their support for assistance. They're usually quite helpful, and there are many resources available to guide you through troubleshooting. Remember, if you'd like to keep track of your conversations or access any personalized features on ChatGPT, being logged in is really important. It allows the platform to provide a tailored experience based on your usage and preferences. So that's it. Logging into ChatGPT is quick and straightforward, especially with the Google account feature. Whether you're doing it for the first time or just needed a refresher, now you know how to navigate the process with ease. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks related to technology and AI. I hope you have a fantastic time using ChatGPT, and until next time, happy chatting.